So get ready with me because I'm going to Honor. And it's my first time to go big events. And thank you so much, Honor, for inviting me and giving me this. You're adopted. It's a prank. There's a food. I don't like it. Why? It's a prank. Oh. Bye. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh my god, it's a prank. Wow. Whoa. Why are you laughing?
Don't prank me.
It's a prank. Whoa. Wow, I like your... Can I see it? Wow. It's a prank. So I'm gonna try. Look at the phone. Oh, win. I'm gonna fall this. It's a prank. Wait. Oh my god, it's a prank. Okay, this is the announcement.
I'd like to announce the results. 64 participants.
You just win a Guinness World Record. So. Hello.
Really watching. We're out.
What Guinness is this?
Franking Guinness World Record.
How many?
60,000.
3,000. Congratulations. How does it feel?
I feel so. Woo!
Are you happy you were able to break the Guinness World Book of
I'm having a breakdown. Woo!